All right, folks, range is always a big question on my channel, and I'm going to try to answer something for you today. And that is a 10.5 amp hour battery pack enough? Is that enough battery for this bike? It's 48 volt, 10.5 amp hour. It's kind of hidden in the frame under this little beauty cover. This is the Solar Sparrow from Euphree. It is a 750 watt motor. Like I said, 48 volt, 10.5 amp hour battery pack. How long does that carry this bike? If you're going out and doing some casual riding like I'm gonna do today, this is the smallest battery in the Euphree lineup. All the other ones have 15 amp hours. So at 10.5 is the smallest. What I'm gonna do is put this into level 2, the tour mode. So there's 4 levels. I'm gonna be in level 2 tour. I'm gonna do a decent amount of pedaling. I'm gonna hit the throttle whenever I want, and I'm just gonna ride this bike like I normally would. I think it's probably gonna surprise you a little bit because I got some gears to shift through here. That's going to help me. This is now an 8-speed bike. It used to be belt drive single speed, but we got some gears to shift through now. And the other thing is it's super lightweight. It's like 60 something pounds. I don't remember. I'll put it on the screen, but that's helpful. A lot of the e-bikes I ride are 125 pounds. So, and they're have huge controllers on them. So they're going to eat through battery like crazy. This is going to sip at the battery. And it's so lightweight, that's gonna help, being like 30, 40, 50 pounds less than some others. So put your guesses in the comments below. I'm gonna make it quick. I'm not gonna drag it out. We're gonna make it quick. I'll edit it to be nice and short. All right, well, we're over here ready to our timed hill climb run. And I don't think I've ever done a timed hill climb on this. I'm kind of curious to see how strong it is. 750 watt bike, usually 23 to 25 seconds. Let's see what it does. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Throttle only. Okay start. I mean, I'm not expecting huge power out of this, of course. This is kind of just an easy, casual ride around town, ride the Greenway's bike pass style bike. This is not high performance, right? This is just, I want to chill and cruise and have a nice, fun bike ride. I think it peaks at 900 watts. So less than normal. Usually they're like 12, 13, whatever. And time, I'm gonna guess that's probably on the slower end. That was probably 27 seconds, but still carried me up the hill, throttle only, no problem at all. Very comfortable ride position on this bike. I'm probably a little tall for it. This is one I think they designed for the shorter riders. It's 26 by 2, I believe the tires are. So smaller wheel tire package, low step through height, and super lightweight. This is their lightweight bike. Well, they're all pretty lightweight, but this is the lightest weight of all their bikes. Honestly, the Stellar Falcon is probably my favorite bike in the lineup. But the Sparrow, I like how they revamped it. It's really nice. Now, before you jump into my comments section and say, oh, 10 amp hours, that's tiny. That's not enough at all. I mean, if you're on a lightweight e-bike, just doing this, I think it's gonna probably go further than you're thinking. I'm only in the tour mode. There's 2 levels I can go above that. And I've got it in torque sensor. So I'm actually putting a little effort into these pedals. This will do torque or cadence sensor. You can pick that in the settings. You can also adjust like start strength and the amount of power delivered in each pedal assist. This tiny little screen's actually pretty programmable. But we're just gonna cruise on the Greenway like this for a while. See how far we go. All right, we'll do our first check-in here. I've gone about 15 miles so far. I think I'm gonna turn around and head back because I can see over here, the clouds are getting a little darker. I can feel it in the wind, kind of smell the rain rolling in. I wanna get back before it pours on me. So here's what I can tell you so far. The battery indicator is showing 91%, and under pedaling or throttle, it goes down to 83%. So the battery indicator on this one goes down in big chunks. It'll go 91, then 83, then like 65. So it's not down to the exact percentage. Now, I've been pedaling on the Greenway here about 13 to 15 miles per hour the whole time. And I gotta say, my legs are working harder than I typically would. I'd probably normally ride this in sport mode just to give myself a little more power when I push on these pedals. But I'm not totally uncomfortable. I'm just getting a workout right now, basically. I mean, I think we should crack 30 miles out of this thing pretty easy, right? We'll see. They say up to 50. That's their claim on the website, up to 50 miles of range. So far, I would say that seems possible. We're racing this deer. Oh, he's faster than me. I'm gonna race against Mother Nature here. Deers, rain. It was beautiful blue sky when I left. Now it's dark, thunder clouds. It's starting to sprinkle. We're gonna burn through our last bit of battery. Trying to get home without getting soaked. I'm at 33% and I've gone like 25 miles. Now I can feel the power dying in it. It's definitely lost a step power-wise. Every shortcut we can here. It's a little rougher ride on this one because there's no suspension fork. It's a rigid front fork. That's what over there is what it looked like when I left. Now, it's pretty gray this way. Very gray over there. Oh gosh, oh no. And the thunder. The storm is coming. I'm in a dry pocket, but that sky does not look good. We made it to the end of the range test. 28 miles. I rode 28 miles today on this thing. That's pretty darn good for a 10.5 amp hour battery pack. So is 10.5 enough? I mean, on this bike, I'm gonna say yeah. If you're pedaling and helping the bike and riding a casual ride around town, Greenway, gosh, I got 30 miles out of this thing pretty darn easy. I think it works on the Sparrow. What do you guys think? Drop in the comments. How close were you on your guess? And the last 3 miles, solid, was just throttle only, using full power because I was trying to beat the rain home. So I would have went over 30, no issue with this thing. I think that's perfectly adequate. Someone like me who rides 15, 20 miles at a time, this little battery pack gave me plenty of range. So I hope you enjoyed that little piece of data. People always ask about range. That's the best I can do, is show you what I get riding this thing in tour mode, in pedal assist 2 basically. And again, this is the smallest battery pack Euphree has. All the other bikes have 15 amp hour on them. The City Robin, Stellar Falcon, and the new one, the Cosmic J, the utility bike. They've all got bigger battery packs, so you're gonna go even further on those. If you do decide to, oh, here comes the rain. Oh no. If you decide to get a Euphree bike, make sure you use my code CITIZEN, because you get a free stem bag like this one and a free folding bike lock. You just put them on your cart and type in CITIZEN and it'll discount those to 0. And here it is. We're getting soaked. That's all for today. See you in the next one. Let's get out of here. Woo. Oh boy.